Here I have VIVO X60 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Xiaomi Redmi Air Dots headphones, Air Dots 2 headphones to this device. So firstly, you have to open headphone case, took one headphone for example, and after it starts flashing light like this, it means that it's in the pairing mode. So then you have to enable Bluetooth, hold down your finger on it to access its section, then tap pair new device. Then you have to select Air Dots from the list of the available devices. And now they are paired and connected. So if you want to disconnect from them, just tap on the gear icon here. And you have the two options. You can either disconnect from it or forget this device forever. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.